Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. This series explores the technologies, strategic imperatives, and growth opportunities shaping transformation across industries. In this episode, we examine how biological age tracking is redefining health assessment through multi-omics technologies, artificial intelligence, and longevity-focused innovation ecosystems.
Why biological age is becoming a new health metric. For decades, chronological age has served as a standard measure of aging, yet individuals of the same age often experience vastly different health outcomes, disease risks, and aging trajectories. Biological age tracking is emerging as a complementary approach that seeks to measure how the body is aging at the molecular and physiological level. Advances in epigenetics, proteomics, transcriptomics, metabolomics, and telomere science are enabling more precise assessments of aging processes and overall health status. Combined with artificial intelligence and computational modeling, these technologies are creating new opportunities for preventive health, risk assessment, and longevity-focused innovation. How will biological age tracking reshape the future of personalized health and preventive care?
Strategic imperatives, accelerating biological age tracking. Several strategic forces are driving momentum across the biological age ecosystem. Disruptive technologies, such as next-generation sequencing, high-throughput proteomics, AI-enabled predictive modeling, and multi-omics integration are improving the precision and scalability of biological age assessment. Industry convergence is bringing together healthcare, diagnostics, wellness, and pharmaceutical ecosystems, creating new pathways for clinical and commercial adoption. At the same time, innovative business models are shifting the industry from one-time testing toward continuous monitoring, subscription-based engagement, and personalized health optimization services. Which strategic imperative will have the greatest influence on the future of biological age tracking?
What is accelerating and constraining adoption? Growing adoption is being fueled by advances in multi-omics technologies, expanding use of molecular aging biomarkers in pharmaceutical research, and increasing integration into preventive health and wellness programs. However, several challenges continue to shape industry evolution. Questions remain around clinical validation, the availability of high-quality longitudinal data sets, and the gap between consumer expectations and the current scientific maturity of biological age measurement technologies. As the industry evolves, improving transparency, validation, and data quality will be critical to supporting long-term stakeholder confidence. How can organizations balance scientific rigor and commercial scalability in biological age innovation?
Innovators advancing the longevity ecosystem. A growing group of innovators is helping expand the scientific foundation of biological age measurement. Organizations such as Zymo Research, CD Genomics, Genome SA, and Mitra Bio are advancing epigenetic clocks, DNA methylation analysis, longevity-focused assessments, and tissue-specific aging measurement technologies. Competition is increasingly centered on biomarker selection, AI integration, longitudinal monitoring, accessibility, and data quality. What capabilities will differentiate the next generation of biological age tracking platforms?
Growth opportunities shaping the future of longevity innovation. 3 growth opportunities are expected to define the next phase of development. The first is the integration of biological age metrics into clinical trial design and endpoint frameworks, helping accelerate therapeutic evaluation and longevity research. The second is expansion into direct-to-consumer preventive health and wellness applications, where biological age may become a recurring metric for health optimization. The third is the strategic value creation enabled by longitudinal aging datasets that support biomarker discovery, risk stratification, disease progression analysis, and research collaborations. Organizations that successfully combine scientific credibility, longitudinal data, and personalized engagement models will be best positioned to capture value across the emerging longevity ecosystem. Which biological age tracking opportunity aligns most closely with your long-term health innovation strategy?
Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.